Hello, dear friends. Let's have a look at the customization and settings inside of the Livewall photos. So go right into the settings where you find that in the right corner and you see the message you will write to your guests and upload the small logo or artwork and the large logo and a banner for your feed. And I chose a cake. Love that cake. And here you see all the different settings in your feed. If you want to show the camera, show upload button, show share button, and all different. And you can even write a password if you feel that's necessary. And share your feed, copy shareable feed link, and download the QR code for feed. You can also see my templates for wedding invitation in a different blog. And there's also camera inside of Livewall. You can enable it or disable it. It's up to you. If you enable it, you can ask users for their name. It could be a fun way to get to know the guests. And I'm sure not all the guests know each other, so I recommend that. Write a nice message here. Do you love uploads? Yes. And ask users for their name, for their uploads, and you can write the instructions here. And then people will see it when they upload their photos to the feed. So also here you see the shareable upload link, copy shareable upload link. Takes them right to the upload page. No password or no email required. This really makes it easy. So I was looking for a cute emoji here. And wall settings, enable walls. I know some people like a revelation of photos. I really prefer just to see the pictures immediately. And you can have favorites, allow persons to see and access the favorites. You can also delete from wall and instructions. You don't have to write instructions, but it can be a nice way to communicate with your guests. Show the QR code if people like to share it. And here is my favorite, the customization of colors for the live wall. And here you see I chose some pink for the Polaroid wall. Play around with it. You can always change. And with all the settings, you can always change the settings also. Here we have a encryption possibility, if that's what you like. And downloads after the event, get everything in a zip file. Yeah, you're on the premium plan here, notes for you, just some reminders and contact information. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon again.